Hands down, from all the other lights I've ever seen, there's nothing better, nothing brighter, nothing stronger than rigid lights. For the safety of my crew, the firehouse, and the citizens, we trust in Rigid.
Hey guys, Rigid Industries up here in Flagstaff, Arizona. We're debuting the brand new Adapt E-Series light bar. We're really excited to show the new technology in this light. We invited some industry friends and family up here to get behind this thing and see what it's all about. We're excited to show you what it can do.
It amazed me that somebody sat down and said, you know what, we can put a GPS tracker in this thing and adjust to the driver's need, which we've never seen.
The Adapt E-Series is just awesome. I mean, it's just everything you could ask for in a light bar.
So now as we speed up and you start to get into about that 20-mile-an-hour zone, you could really see up ahead, it's starting to illuminate.
Yeah, it starts getting more intense.
And if you look off to the sides, you can see now that wide angle zone is now shutting off. It's starting to turn down. So the area that you don't need is shutting down to conserve power.
That is insane.
Coming from a crawling background, when you're going slow, you want to see out both sides of your doors, see what's around your front tires, but also see what's in front of you. At the same time, when you're trying to go fast, you want to have another set of lights to see far off in the distance when you're going high speeds.
It's brighter than most lights that I've seen, and when it dials in the spot, you just open it up. It's fantastic.
It just anticipates your every move. It just does what you think you need it to do, and it's just there. It's all the time. It's just the perfect light at any situation.
You're kind of going nice and slow. It's in that kind of dimmer mode, softer mode. Start picking up speed, man, and right away, bam, it just narrows that light in. This thing is amazing, absolutely amazing, a must-have, absolutely.
When you're at rest, it gives you that nice, wide, soft pattern. But when you're going fast and you need to make changes real quickly, or things come at you at that rate, you need light very far ahead.
The same vehicle that you're going 10 miles an hour is the same vehicle you're turning the corner and going 60 in the straightaway.
Right.
Woo!
I think the Adapt E-Series is going to be one of the most innovative bars on the market. Everybody's going to have their eyes on it. They're going to want it.
Whoops, extra.
Oh!
On that one, buddy.
Getting it!
Introducing Rigid's new SRL Series light bar, featuring a sleek 20-inch curved housing, ultra-wide forward projecting beam pattern, and a unique halo backlight feature offered in 4 color options. The SRL Series light bar's new optic combination projects light over 70 degrees wide, with more than enough distance to safely drive in low visibility conditions, making it the perfect lighting solution for most applications. The halo backlight feature is offered in red, white, blue, or amber, and is wired independently from the forward projecting light. Instantly transition from style to function with the flip of a switch, making it easier than ever to own the night.
Conditions off the pavement are always changing, so why settle for a light bar that just turns on and off? The Rigid Adapt uses your vehicle's speed to automatically select from 8 beam patterns ranging from flood to spot. The Rigid Adapt.
Safety.